What is the area of a room that is 3 3/4 yards long by 3 1/3 yards wide? So we're looking for area of a rectangle. So we're going to be multiplying length times width. So I have 3 3/4 yards times 3 1/3 yards. In order to multiply mixed numbers, I do need to turn those into improper fractions. So I'll use my get mad strategy. I'll multiply, and then add. 4 times 3 is going to be 12, plus 3 is going to be 15. My denominator stays the same. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here. Multiply and then add. 3 times 3 is 9, plus the 1 is 10 over my denominator. I'm going to go ahead and multiply across. 15 times 10 is going to be 150. 4 times 3 is going to be 12. Yards times yard is going to be yards squared. And then I realize that I can simplify these. I can divide these both actually by a 3. If I divide these by 3, I'm going to have 50 over 4. Those are both even numbers, so I can divide those by 2. And I'll have 25 over 2. I can't simplify that anymore. There's no more common factors, but that is an improper fraction. So I'm going to put that in a division house. 2 goes into 2 one time. 2 times 2 is 2. Subtract, I get a 0 and bring down that 5. 2 goes into 5 2 times. 2 times 2 is 4. Subtract, I have a 1. We're not doing remainders or decimals, so I'm going to write this as a fraction. My remainder 1 is going to be the numerator. My divisor or the denominator is going to be 2. So I have 12 1/2 yards squared would be the area of that room.